Namaste everyone, welcome to your Average Human Vlogs. Today is a very special day for me. I am buying my second car in my life, and the car that I bought is Hyundai i20 N-Line. This is the N6 variant, IMT variant, and I was confused between Venue and this model, but ultimately I bought this thanks to Kiran and Shashank, who explained everything properly, the pros and cons of SUV stance car and the normal hatchback. Well, driving dynamics is going to be great in this car compared to the Venue, and this looks like a hot hatch, and this turns out 120 bhp, and the driving is going to be really fun. So yeah, I'll keep vlogging with this car on the trip that I go. And so I had a great experience with Pavan Hyundai team. This is Mr. Kiran, the manager of team manager, and Shashank, my sales consultant. Both of them had a lot of patience with me due to my confusions between Venue and i20. They guided me properly, and ultimately they delivered the car very soon. And I, from the time of booking, I got the car in just 2 weeks, and I'm very grateful for them. Thank you, Shashank, and thank you, Kiran. I will surely be referring all my subscribers as well as my friends and family to Pavan Hyundai, and anybody wants to contact them for test drive any other car, I'll leave their number in the description box. Please contact them. Namaste.